What's going on, YouTube? I'm back again with another video for y'all, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna get right into it. Now, this video is gonna be a video explaining to y'all 10 primary trade lines that you can get approved for today to start building out your credit, even if you got bad credit. All right, even if you got bad credit. See, it's a lot of stuff that people with bad credit or no credit, right? Because no credit is just like bad credit. You're not gonna get approved for anything. All right. So it's a lot of people that have a bad credit or no credit, and they just think they're gonna get a credit card off rip, or they just don't know what to apply for. All right, so these 10 is going to help y'all start building out credit, and most, if not all of these do not require a hard inquiry. All right, so you should not be getting a hard inquiry when getting these accounts. So the first account, we got Credit Strong. All right, creditstrong.com is a great way to start building out, positive credit. It's like installment plans. So you pay on the installment monthly. Make sure it's set up to auto pay, and then you can start building out credit on that. So you pay monthly, they're gonna report, line of credit onto your credit report. All right. So that's good right there. Creditstrong.com. Next, we have a savings secure loan. All right. So a lot of you guys might have even heard of Navy Federal. All right. They have something called the pledge loan. All it is a savings secure loan. All right. What a savings secure loan is that you basically borrow against your own money. So you put your money in a savings account, and the institution that you're doing this with loans you money based on that money that you have in your savings account. So the money is in your savings account. It's basically collateral based on the loan that they give you. All right. Then what you do with the loan, you just knock it down 90%, right off rip, knock it down 90%, and then leave the remaining 10% over the lifetime of the loan. So on your credit is going to reflect a loan that's 90% paid off. All right. And you can do this over and over and over again. That's going to build your credit out. All right. But make sure you put all these accounts on auto pay. All right. So you can start just building out more positive credit. Um, the next three are going to be rental reporting apps. So a lot of people out here paying rent and ain't getting no credit for it. Right. Ain't, it's just, they just paying the money, then nothing. Right. Obviously, y'all know that a mortgage go on your credit, but rent, it just doesn't go on your credit. Right. So you can take advantage of these apps to start reporting your rent to your credit, right? And then you can even backdate it too as well, giving you age on your credit report, which is going to boost your credit profile. All right, so the first one we got rent reporters. All right, rent reporters, you report your rent. Second one we got Boom Pay. All right, and then we have Rental Karma. All right, we have Rental Karma too as well. So all those you can report your rent to your credit, and it's going to boost out your credit profile and boost out your scores. All right. Next, we have level credit. Level credit is where you can report, you can report rent on level credit too, I believe. Utilities, phone bill, things of that nature on level credit. And you can even backdate level credit too as well. But level credit is definitely a good option to start building out credit. Uh, this is one of the next most popular ones, self lender. A lot of people heard of self lender. Self lender is like kickoff kind of too. Self lender is like um Credit Strong. I meant self lender is like Credit Strong. Okay, they got installment plans and everything like that. What I like about self lender is that it's called self lender for a reason. So you're lending yourself money, right? So you basically pick a term, you pay money into the term, and at the end of the term, you get a percentage of that money back. So it's like you're saving money, building credit at the same time. So it's a win-win. All right. Next we have Ava. Ava is definitely a good one too as well. I heard a lot of good things about Ava. After that, we also have Grain. Grain is another good one too as well. It's a whole bunch of credit building apps that y'all can do to start building out credit besides getting a credit card first. A lot of people need to understand that when it comes to your credit, it's just like a baby, right? A baby needs to learn how to crawl. And then once they crawl, they can learn how to walk. And then once they walk, they can learn how to run. Right. So that's the same thing when it comes to your credit profile. You got to crawl before you walk. You got to walk before you run. And these some of the accounts that y'all can start crawling with. All right. Next, you have the extra debit card. All right. So this is a debit card that builds your credit. All right, so this is definitely a good card to have because debit cards don't build credit for the most part, right? Because it's a debit card, not a credit card. But this card is actually a debit card that will build your credit. So look into that. Um, and then I got two extras for y'all, right? Because I rock with y'all, I like y'all. So I got two bonuses. All right. So next we have Kovo. All right, Kovo, another installment plan that you can start adding to your credit report. All right, Kovo is very good. And then also we have the last one, which is honestly one of my favorite ones. Kickoff. All right. Kickoff is very good. I like it because it's cheap too as well. You can get a primary trade line added to your credit report for like $20 a month. And it's gonna report to all three: Experian, Equifax, TransUnion. All right. Now, while all these build your credit, right, you want to be responsible and make sure they're all on auto pay. Because the last thing you want to do is get some of these accounts and then they're not on auto pay, and then you risk you getting like a late payment, which is gonna knock you back tremendously. All right. But these are 10 um primary trade lines you can start adding to your credit profile today to start building out y'all scores, man. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, because this was some sauce for y'all. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. Share this out with people looking to build credit, people that got bad credit, people that got no credit. Send it out to everybody: your mama, your auntie, your granddad. Your granddad need to build some credit too. All right, they ain't mess with credit back then. All right, so make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.